because my eyes are currently experiencing a total dopamine shock. This is a YUNZII C75 cake. We have never shown anything this sweet, this past, or this bakery theme on this channel. It costs around 90 bucks, and today we need to talk about why keyboard like this are suddenly breaking the internet. Is just a cute toy, or is there real mechanical breeze hidden inside this pink beige frosting? Let's open it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Duo. If you are new here, we usually review very clean metallic, low profile gear, but the algorithms, the comments and the current interior design trends are screaming one thing: dopamine decor! People want color, people want pure joy on their desk, and YUNZII took that concept and went completely wild with compact size. Before I show you the mountain of stuff inside this box, which keyboard brand do you want to see next on this channel? Drop your request in the comments right now. We read everything. And hey, if you actually fall in love with sweet cake aesthetic during the video, our code save you 5% at checkout. Links in the description. If you want tech reviews that aren't afraid to step out of the comfort zone and test the virus gear out there, hit subscribe right now. Okay, the unboxing. Usually with budget boards you get a cable and plastic tool. That's it. But YUNZII went crazy here. There is so much stuff packed inside the box. First you get the keyboard itself. It comes in gorgeous pastel combination. I have the beige one and it is loud. Then look at this cable. It's included. Next, a giant matching cake themed desk mat. It looks like a giant cupcake. No cats here, just pure sugar. But wait, there is more. You get a separate tray of novelty artisan keycaps with actual dessert, candy and cake design, and a proper metal keycap and switch puller. Honestly, from a pure value standpoint, this unboxing is awesome. You're basically getting a full desk setup starter pack for the price of just the keyboard. They know exactly how to trigger that value for money neuro response. Let's look at the frame. This is a 75% layout, which means you get your essential arrow keys and the function row, but the number part is going to save space for your mouse. It's compact, highly portable and extremely desk friendly. The case is plastic, but it's thick and heavy. Look at the top rim. It has that wavy silicone-like frosting shape. The keycaps are more profile. They are rounded, thick and feel like smooth little marshmallow under your fingers. But here is my first real impression. Even though 75% is very popular layout, the specific profile takes a small leaning curve because the keys are shaped like smooth rounded candy blocks and sit tiny together. You will mistype during the first few hours. Your muscle memory needs a bit of time to map this pastel grid, but it's so beautiful to look at, you won't even mind. Inside we have a gasket mount and YUNZII's custom linear switches, either milk version 2 or cocoa switches, pre-loop from the factory. Let's hear what a dopamine cake sounds like. It actually sounds incredibly deep. It's a very soft, creamy sound, not loud or clicky. The multiple layers of dampening foam inside are doing some serious heavy lifting here. Let's talk about performance. This is triple mode wireless board, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz dongle and wired. Not prepared to be shocked. Even in this smaller size, the battery inside a massive 5500 mAh. This is still huge for 75% mechanical keyboard. Usually RGB on pastel keyboards look amazing, but here, because the keycaps are completely solid, none shines through PBT, the light doesn't shine through the letters, it only shines around them. In a dark room, it creates this beautiful underglow effect, but it won't help you see the keys if you type in pitch black. Also, a quick note from my first few days of testing. Even with a 5500 mAh battery, running this much bright RGB at 100 will cause a noticeable power drain. It holds up way better than standard budget board, but if you want it to last for a week, turn the light down. The wireless connection itself is flawless, no lag on the dongle at all. You can customize the lightning and reassign keys using the YUNZII software. It lets you build custom macros or change the polling rate. It's a standard proprietary software, not web-based like VIA, but it works without any bugs. And since the board is fully hot-swappable with 3-pin and 5-pin support, you can pull these switches out whenever you want. If you ever get tired of linear feel, you can completely swap them. Let's break down the reality of this dopamine king or queen, the good. Insane bundle value, cable, giant dessert mat and artisans included. 5500 mAh battery capacity for a compact board. Top tier creamy sound profile out of the box. Premium thick Moa profile PBT keycaps. Compact 75% layout saves ton of desk space. The bed. The aesthetic is highly specific in either fit your vibe or it completely destroyed. Marshmallow keycaps shape cause accidental presses at first. RGB doesn't illuminate your letters. So, what is the final verdict of the YUNZII C75 cake? Meow. It completely caught me off guard. I expected a cheap gimmick that focused only on looks. But underneath all that pink and beige frosting, this is generally well-built, great sound mechanical keyboard. It proves that productive tools don't have to look boring or corporate or something like that. If your desk setup needs massive injection of joy, remember to use code VOLOINTECH to save some money. Links are down below. Subscribe to Tech Duo, hit that bell and let me know what is the craziest looking tech product you own. Thanks for watching, stay safe and see you in the next one. Bye!